Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys how you can take your garlic raw. How you can take it raw without getting it smelling all over your body or getting embarrassed when you get close to people or when you are gathering. Actually, this is a hack that has worked for me over 18 years now, and I have shared it with a lot of people, and it has been so amazing. So I just decided to share it out with you guys, and I hope somebody finds it. Get your garlic, any amount you want, any quantity you want, and get your glass jar. Get it washed, with the cover, and that is by the time you be chopping your garlics. I will show you how to do it, and how you can keep it in your fridge. Even if you don't have fridge, you can do it maybe every other day or every two days. Then it works out very well. Even when I travel, I have finished peeling my garlics. Here I have 11 cloves. So I will start by cutting them. Just start by cutting them. So take a big knife. You can have, maybe it could be bigger than this. So you just start this way. Please don't blend your garlic. This is where you will achieve exactly what I want to share with you guys. Just this way. This is how it will look like. I hope you can see it very well. This is how you will get it, and so right now I'll be showing you guys how you will be taking it. In fact, when you start taking it, you will be so amazed that nobody can ever smell it from you. And you must know that the closest person to you is your wife or your spouse or your husband or your child. Is the closest person to you who can perceive the odor of garlic from you. And once none of them can tell you they smell it, then it's okay. So let me just show you guys very well. Look at how it looks like. You see it? So what I will do now is I will take this my jar, as I normally do, put them in there, put them there, and I will show you how I will be taking it daily. You can take it 10 times. Even this, you can finish this in a day. It doesn't have overdose. So this one I will be taking it right now, and I'll be showing you guys how I take it. So I will put this one in my fridge, this particular one. Quickly add here that the best time you can take your garlic is in the morning, first time in the morning. It doesn't mean you cannot take it in the afternoon or in the evening. That is every day. The best time to take it first thing in the morning, like I always do. If I just get up from the bed or take my mouthwash, the first thing is this garlic. Even before my breakfast or my coffee or any other thing, I take it first. Then take it in the afternoon, take it like every 2 hours, take it like every 3 hours or every 1 hour. That is exactly how I take it, but I must take it first time in the morning before any other thing. Then again, sometimes I take it even last before going to the bed, and it works throughout the night. So that is the way I'll be taking it, and you can alternate it. You can take it the way you like, but best time is first thing in the morning. Then in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night, any other time before going to the bed, take it. That is, make it the last thing you take before going to bed. You can take it as many times as possible for a whole day. So just put it in your glass, put your water. So just watch me the way I will take it. That is just how you watch. So I hope you can see me. Please make sure you do not chew it. Make sure your teeth doesn't touch even the slightest crumb. You see how I've just taken it, and that's it. So the second way you can take it is also just take it, put in your palm this way, and then a glass of water, as if you are taking your medication, your drugs in the morning. This way, and that's it. That's all. You can see it's very simple, very easy, and nobody can ever perceive that you have just taken garlic. That's all. Just a question of knowing how to do it and doing it perfectly. But then there are some rule of thumbs that need to be guided, and I will explain that to you right now. So let me just get my eyeglasses, because I have noted them down so that I will not forget anything. And if there's any question you guys would like to ask me, you ask me. But the first thing first, please do not put garlics in your blender if you want to achieve this desired system. Don't put it in your blender. Just chop it with your knife, make it into a very fine chops. You can see it here. Look at it. I believe you can see how it looks like. So it's just like when you are breaking a piece of rice into 2 parts or 3 parts. That's just it. Every morning you just take it, you put it in your glasses. I travel with it. I've been using it for years. Just put it in your fridge. If you don't have fridge, do it small batch that you can take 2-3 days. It summarize the whole thing. The first one is that make sure your teeth doesn't crush any of the crumbs. Chop it very finely, cut it to very tiny bits, as much as you could, so that your teeth doesn't touch any of it so that it will get well churned in your stomach. But the first one is that do not allow your teeth to crush it. Please, when you take, just watch the way I took it. Very neat, very quiet. No, you can see. That is the first thing. Then the second thing is that don't put it in the blender, please. Don't blend your garlic. If you blend it, it will smell all over you, because the whole thing will be liquefied. You see, I try to make it into a very fine crumbs, but no liquid inside it. You can see it to yourself. Then the third one is that I've said it. If you don't chop it finely, if you don't cut it very tiny before swallowing it, you are surely going to pass it out by the time you visit the toilet. If you go to the toilet, you will pass it out. You will see it yourselves. You see it to yourself. So the best is that chop it very finely, so that by the time you take it, it will go straight to your stomach. After digestion, the whole thing will get crushed. It will get churned in your stomach. You won't even notice anything. And you will not see it in the toilet pot. That's another thing. So then let me tell you what will happen by the time you start taking it after some time, or when you start taking it excessively, like the way I normally take it at initial stage. Or sometimes I stop taking it, and when I restart, so I just take it more, as much. Sometimes I can just take like 10 cloves in a day. So what will happen is that your appetite will start reducing. You won't be feeling hungry. You will look very healthy, and you will not even observe that you have not taken your lunch or even your dinner sometimes, and you will not be hungry. That's first thing. Then another thing that you observe, that you will start farting. You'll be releasing gas. That you'll be gassing, like what people will say, you just be messing. You'll be farting. Then after some time, when you start taking it more and more, or taking excessively, that it has now soaked so much in your system, what will happen is that you will be feeling that somebody is pinching you, like somebody is pinching your stomach like this. Just you feel like pinching. It's not painful, just the way I'm doing it like this. That is just what you'll be feeling. So by that time, you will know that, okay, you have so much garlic in your system. So what will happen? You reduce the dosage or the quantity you have been taking. If you have been taking 5 cloves a day, you just reduce it to 2 or 3. Depends on quantity you take. Like me, sometimes I might just stop for 2-3 months and I will start again. So when I start all over again, I can just be taking like 2 cloves in a day or 3 cloves. It doesn't have after effect. It's just a question of when you start feeling that you are getting pinched on your stomach, just the way I'm doing, you see. So what you just do, you just reduce the dosage. That's just so. Otherwise, it's very, very okay, very good, very nice. I've shared it with a lot of friends, a lot of family friends as well, and they found it so helpful, you know. So I started taking this garlic this way over 18 years ago when I was pregnant of my daughter. And my doctor found out that I was running high blood pressure. So she advised me if I can be taking raw garlic, not just cooking with it, taking it raw, that it's more efficient taking it raw than cooking with it. So, and each time I crush it or I chew it, I find that people running away from me if I'm in a gathering or in a school or in a marketplace, wherever I am, even in the church, just people running away from you. I say, what is happening? So I decided, just invented this system myself. You know, nobody taught me. I invented this hack and it has been working wonderfully well. In fact, I stopped taking after I stopped cooking with garlic, and this is the only way I take it. I just ingest it.